If you have a blurry stream, then you can watch this video, and by the end I will show you how it can fix it. So what you want to do is go to the speed test site and you want to test your internet speed. As you saw, I have like 23 megabytes, but you want at least 5. You need at least 5, okay? Once you have at least 5, you're going to open your settings here in Streamlabs. You want to go to your output here on the side, click your encoder to be either your GPU or your software. I use my GPU. You want to change your bitrate to what your internet speed was. So if you had 5, then you want it to be like 2500, and if you or 5000, and if you have a high one you could go up to 6000, but you want to make sure this is on quality. You want to make sure this is on high. And then what you want to do is click on your video settings on the side here and make sure you're in the right resolution, so 1920 by 1080, 1920 by 1080. Your FPS should be 60 FPS, and you want to have this at the sharpen 32 samples, because that's the best quality. You're gonna get sharp bright detail, and that fixed my stream. It's not blurry anymore, and so yeah, there you guys go. If you guys like this video, if it helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks guys, peace out.